Hey everybody, so today I wanted to come on here and do a video that a couple of you guys requested, but I wanted to do it a little bit differently than just me talking about some random cards. So I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial basically that was inspired by this right here, and these are my tarot cards. That's what it looks like on the front. That's what it looks like on the back. That's what it looks like on the side. And the other side. I just bought this deck from Spirit Speak and I love her website. I love this deck. It was made in Joshua Tree. I feel like there was really good energy behind this deck. I don't know why. I just really like her personality, and by her I mean the person who made this or who owns Spirit Speak basically. I just really like the concept behind this. So like I said a few days ago in my other video, I got this deck the other day and was shuffling, and the way I shuffle is I just let the cards fall. So whatever cards like fall out when I'm shuffling, I just let them be, and then I just, whenever I feel like stopping, I stop, and then I read the cards. And what happened for me was that basically all of the cards that fell all were correlated by basically the idea that you needed, or that I needed, to push forward in my new endeavors. And all the cards that have fallen out of this deck for me, with my intention being future goals, what is going to be positive in my career. Those are the thoughts that I'm having in my head when I'm shuffling these. I'm not going to be shuffling this deck again for a good while, but I'm just going to tell you guys a couple of the cards that have fallen out and basically what they told me. My first shuffle, the cards that came out of this, that just kind of fell out, and when cards fall, you kind of just like need to leave them, or that's what I've been told and that's what I did. You can shuffle and read your cards however you want. But my cards were Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. And then today it was Eight of Cups. So basically this deck is very helpful because it comes with a book. Two of Pentacles is a time of manifesting abundance while also managing and balancing. You see the goal. You are also in the very beginning stages of creation and organization. There is so much that you want to do and your heart is full of hope. Wouldn't it be great if you had a few extra hands? It is important that you focus less on doing more and instead on precise execution. And that is basically how all of my cards read. And it was so, you don't have to believe in this. You know, the cards without your energy and without your intentions are literally just cards or just paper. They have like nothing attached to them. But when you put your energy and your intentions into them, then you read them however you want, and you can choose to believe them or you can choose to not to. So Two of Pentacles, like I said, really spoke to me because it was like, whoa, like this is like reading my mind right now, because I was just having a conversation about business and intentions and really execution and how I'm going to do certain things. So then your clever ideas and desire to create are effervescent. The only thing is you might be spreading yourself thin. Let me tell you, more will get done if you hone and focus on one thing at a time. And that's Two of Wands is basically what that was telling me. That's not the whole thing, but that was part of it. Now, Three of Wands, where you are on your way, that's for sure. Try not to get discouraged by how long the path ahead may be. Don't rush it. The journey is something you will be committed to for longer than you may have anticipated. And it basically says, stay true to your goals and your eyes ahead. So those are most of the cards. I'm not gonna read all of them, but I only read 5 in total, and I told you guys about 3 of the 5, but basically all of my cards said the exact same thing, in my opinion. You just have to have good and clear intentions and a focused thought when you are shuffling the deck, and I feel like they work better that way. But it's just my opinion, you know. For this tutorial today, we have 3 palettes that I'm probably gonna be reaching into. Same old Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. That's what I always use on my eyebrows, unless I'm using a brow gel, which I only like to use Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I have other brow gels, but they're not the same. So I'll be using those 2 products for my eyebrows. Looking at this, there is like that color and then there's the blue, and I really like how that looks with it. So yeah, I may do that. Or maybe a blue in the waterline. We're gonna figure it out, but until then, I'm going to think about what I'm gonna do while I'm putting my highlight on my face. Now, I feel like if you do this up and down motion on your forehead, it tends to make your forehead look more of a dewy look than a highlighted look. You know what I mean? Like, that's the kind of like line that you'll get when you're going out in the sun and the sun's beaming on your face and you just have like a very dewy forehead. It'll be like more of a line than like a blend, I guess. I mean, you still want to blend it, but you want to do this up and down motion. So it's still red, it's still very red, but it's not as bright. So I like the idea of just like wiping it off and having like a stain. Going into this pink. So I went and got this palette really quick, and we are going to be using, we're going to be using this blue color on the side right there. This is an apparition deck. It's not an oracle deck, but I really like it. It has gold on the side, like I said, and then all of the cards are this really pretty blue with a little bit of the magenta. So that's why I feel like it really kind of matches this eye look. You can let me know. I think it does. So yeah, let me know what you want to see next, and if you like videos like inspired by videos like these, I will gladly do more of them in the future. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.